How to change a server in Zenless Zone Zero. Welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In Zenless Zone Zero, if you are looking for a way to change your server, launch the game open and wait until you reach this login screen. From here, you'll be able to see your server at the bottom. Simply tap on that and you'll see a server list displayed on the page. You'll see servers such as Asia, Europe, America, etc. Just select the one you prefer. After selecting one, tap anywhere on the screen to play. Remember that whenever you change to a new server, your progress starts from 0 on that server. But your account on the old server is still safe, but it is separate. Changing servers does not transfer your progress between regions. Each server keeps its own save data. So only switch the server if you are okay starting fresh or want to play with friends in that region. Having that said, I'm just going to switch back to my old server since I'm not trying to risk that for now. After selecting the server, tap on the middle of the screen to play the game. And there you go, that's how you easily change servers in Zenless Zone Zero. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.